Hello Leo, welcome to Blue 32 Tarot, and this is your reading from 22nd of May to 28th of May. So let's check what are the messages for you. Messages for Leos. Four of Wands. Excuse me. Two of Items. The Sun. The Moon. And Page of Chalices. Four of Wands. Commitment is there, Leo. This person wants to commit. This person wants to take this relationship to the next level. They are very sure of their feeling. It's like all of a sudden they have realized that you are the one and they are meant to be with you. Maybe this person is spiritually awakened right now, and they have this idea that you are in their life for a reason. You have brought a lot of changes in their life. Maybe after you came, they have experienced a lot of positive changes, and they know that you are the one somehow. Everything around them is telling that it's the right time to commit. So you can expect something from their side. It could be a proposal of marriage, it could be engagement, or maybe it could have something to do with making this relationship official, as if this person is going to announce to their near and dear ones that yes, they are choosing you. You both are going to get married. Or maybe this person is going to take you to their family, and you'll get to know more about their intentions. You will be, in a secure position, because maybe with this Two of Items, you were tired of waiting. Maybe you were already at a point where you were thinking of leaving this relationship. You were at the crossroad and you were thinking like whether I should stay in this relationship or not. Is there any reason to continue this or not? Just when you thought that you want to leave this relationship, this person is showing you the changes. The changes that is there in their personality, and that is about to come. It's like you are looking at the future. And this person realizes that they cannot keep you waiting forever. And they will have to make the commitment, otherwise you can always choose someone else. You have many options. And here you have the card of the Sun. With the card of the Sun, you are happy that finally things are happening that you were waiting for. You feel the warmth, you feel the joy. You are carefree, you are fearless, and everything is good. But then here you have the card of the Moon. With the card of the Moon, you need to be very careful with what you see. It's like beneath the surface, there could be something that might give you a little bit of tension. I'm saying a little bit because here, excuse me. Here you have Page of Chalices and Four of Wands. So something is going to be in a positive direction. Okay, so even if there is something, it is easily solvable. It can be sorted out easily, and you need not think about the consequences. And it is something that you might not like, but I don't think that it is something that can break your relationship. Okay, so there could be something that they're hiding from you, but not of much significance. So whatever it is, it's up to you what you choose to do in this situation. But whatever you choose to do, you need to be very careful what's beneath the surface. Okay? I don't know what's happening. It's quite confusing. Here we have Page of Chalices and the moon. What this moon is about. I need to clarify this. Why we are seeing moon here? Nine of Wands. Okay, maybe these are your own fears. Something that you are still fighting with. It's like you have some ideas in your mind that you cannot let go. Something might have happened in the past, and you feel like that this can happen once again. It will repeat, and maybe this is the danger in your relationship. Maybe this is something that is stopping you from enjoying this completely. This might make you a little bit more conscious than required, and it's about fighting your own insecurities and your own negative thoughts. So with this Nine of Wands, you need to cross the obstacles. You still have obstacles in your way. Maybe the commitment you're getting is real, but it is not going to be a smooth journey. Okay, maybe you will still find some obstacles, but those obstacles mean nothing because you will cross it. You will be able to reach your goal, or you will be able to be together. You are lovers, and with this Four of Wands, this commitment is real. So no matter how many obstacles are there in the way, you are going to make it. But you should be aware of your own negative thoughts, about your own fears, so that you can fight it. Otherwise, it might be a danger to your relationship in the future. However, this could be a fire sign. Here we have a lot of wands, but it could be anyone because this is a general reading. This is not going to resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. Also, you can check your moon and rising sign. Let's go ahead. Messages for Leo. Six of Athens. Six of Wands. Excuse me. The High Priest. And Ten of Pentacles. Six of Athens. You are thinking of leaving a situation, but I see that it is too early to decide so. Because with this Two of Athens, you might be feeling unstable emotionally, and at one point you will feel like, yes, I want this relationship, and at another point you will feel like, no, I don't want it, and you want to leave, but maybe you should stay here. You will emerge out of this situation as victorious one. You will get over anything and everything. And there is nothing that can stop you, and that can, hamper the growth of this relationship. And then here you have the High Priest. With the High Priest, you are wise enough, Leo. Use your mind. Don't let your emotion make you unstable. Just go into the details. Look at the practical things, and you will come to know everything. Everything will fall into place once you get rid of your emotions. Ups and downs. And then here you have Ten of Pentacles. In the end, if you choose to be together, a lot of blessing is there. Prosperity is there. Happiness is there. Future and a lot of stability. It's like that you are being granted your wish. So you should be very careful about what you are taking and what you are losing. That is going to make the difference for you in this week. Let's check a message for you. Message for Leos. The Sacred Lotus, compassion in action, the chosen two. I see now the lotus in your spirit's dwell. So it's about being sacred. It's about being pure. It's about being honest. Just be honest to yourself, Leo. Just be honest to this person. If you feel like that you are stuck somewhere, or you are having thoughts that are making you unstable, you're feeling like you need to leave this relationship, you need to speak up, you need to talk to your person. Maybe they can show you maybe they can show you the way, okay? And it's about opening up. You should be, you know, pure about your feelings. You should be sure about your feelings, and it's about being honest. So this was the reading from 22nd of May to 28th of May. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.